When it comes to show hide pane captions, I think a lot of our users are going to love this one, because remember, once you select the object, at the top left hand side is what we call the context toolbar. So now you're in a rush, you want to make use of one of those commands, and by mistake you close your commands. Then you phone Caddie support and you think you need to reinstall Caddie, and we tell you don't worry, we just have to go to view and we just go down and we activate your commands again. And the same as with the application, you're in a rush and by mistake you close your application, you have to go back to your view and you have to reload your application. So new to Caddie 26 is that if I go to my view, you would see that the second option says hide pane caption. So if I switch it on, now you can see now your application and your commands are safe, so you can carry on, make use of that powerful context toolbar. If you want to switch it back on, then you just go view, show pane captions, maybe for the reason that you would like to use the auto hide. So the auto hide is still available. You can also auto hide your commands, but with the default installation you will see that it's automatically switched off. So when you open your Caddie, it will set to hide pane caption. Very safe for making use of your context toolbar without closing your application or your commands.